Hi everyone, today I came to visit one studio called Pratham Fashion. He is an exclusive manufacturer for men's and kids shirts. Minimum 50 piece, no single piece, no retail. This comes in a street called Sudama Nagar, which comes nearby Lalbagh Road, which comes in Bengaluru, India. His Google Maps is there in description below. So I'm just showing you the landmark. I'm standing in Lalbagh Road. This is Lalbagh Road. One landmark is this Leather Italias. One more is Go Gas Station, that yellow color board you're seeing right next to Leather Italias. There is a street. Inside this street you have to go like this. When you come little bit further, you can just check. You have to take this right, first right. Just get inside this right. So when you come little bit further, you can just check. This is that complex, and in first floor, Pratham Fashion is there. So you have to go inside this complex. So here his outlet is an exclusive manufacturer on big level. Just check all these stocks. And like this daily lot of parcel goes different parts of India. Export also, you can just have a look. Kids shirt is starting price is 150, men's shirt 200, minimum 50 piece. Pratham Fashion is the name. And just check the level of the stock, high level of stock they are maintaining. Very nice collections of shirts you will get. His brand name is UNM. For kids, for men, amazing casual shirts you will get here. How much of a piece you want? 50 piece, 100 piece, 200 piece, 1000, 2000. Readily available. Very nice variety, nice quality of shirts. You are getting for manufacturer price, not even wholesale. He is a manufacturer. This is brand name UNM. And like this, you will have to buy set wise. You can just see. Set wise you will have to buy, no single piece, no retail. You can select the fabric also like this. They have fabrics, and based on this you can give orders of the shirts. Minimum is 100 to 200 piece. You will have to give orders. This is first floor, and just check the level of stock. Superb level of stock. Lot of people from YouTube also they buy. Trusted place, great opportunity for you. Then it's up to you, but lot of collections of shirts. This all is his brand name UNM. And see the collections of the shirt. Plain shirt, check shirt, digital print, cotton, all types of varieties you'll get. Huge manufacturer, and they're into this business for many years. Number is on video screen. Minimum 50 piece, no single piece, no retail. Any more detail, directly you can WhatsApp. They'll send you all the details. Right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Vishal. Hi Mr. Vishal. Hello. Sir, welcome to my show. Tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get here?
Like you can see, we have men's and kids wear.
And you are the manufacturer of men's and kids shirt. Yes. And minimum how much they have to buy?
60, 100 piece.
Okay, and no single piece, no retail?
No single piece, no.
And what is the timing of your outlet?
Timing is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay, and how many years over for you in this business?
We are in this business since 10 to 12 years.
And where and all your product goes, like in India and export?
Pan India, as well as we do export.
Okay, so right now I'm going to show you some sample of the kids shirts. So in kids shirts, what is the starting price?
Starting price I can give you at 150.
Okay.
And the importeds will go up to say 250, 300 also.
What age to what age will get here for kids?
Age as in I have from size, right from size 0 to size say 38, 40.
Okay. And all prices are different. How much collections you have in kids shirts?
Kids
like 50, 100?
Yes, we do have 50, 100 options.
What and all fabric will get in kids shirts?
Indian imported, printed, checkers, cottons, linens.
Okay. So very nice collections of shirts you can just check. And full shirts you get, half also you'll get?
Only full shirts.
Only full shirts.
Denims.
Okay. And this collection keeps getting updated in how many days with you?
Almost every week.
Okay.
Like these are all latest imported fabrics.
Okay.
These are very rare.
Okay.
Like we source it on ourselves. So
Okay.
range wise, price wise, design wise.
And they'll have to buy set wise?
Set wise.
Okay. Set wise you'll have to buy. And just see very nice.
Set wise because you're getting in good price.
Okay. Cool. And this comes in UNM brand, right?
UNM and F2H. Both are ready.
In denim, how many colors will get?
Denims we have more than 50 options.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you some sample of the men's shirts. So in men's shirts, any starting price you want to tell?
Starting 200 onwards.
Okay. Cool.
These are all the latest drop shoulder articles.
Okay. Very nice. Size?
Size M to XL, M to 2XL. These are my cotton shirts.
Okay.
These are all imported.
Very nice.
Which are very trendy.
150, 100 collections we have in men's shirts?
Yeah. Definitely. Okay. And it keeps changing every week.
And if people want in Sri Lanka, Dubai, Oman, easily?
Yeah, we do supply everywhere.
Okay. Cool. So even if you're watching from Sri Lanka, Dubai, Oman, Middle East, they can supply you over there also?
We have denims, we have cottons, we have plains.
In this, how many colors will get?
Every article will have 8 to 10 colors.
Okay. So here, what do you want to show? This
See,
part.
this is my godown. Like
Okay.
I told you, we do export also.
Okay.
So this is all my latest stock imported,
Okay.
and we are
Nice.
going to export this.
Okay.
Everything is going to go today.
Okay. So that means the quality of shirts is very nice. That's why
Yes,
people are
quality,
buying here.
Sizes like you can see this.
Very nice,
Six
yeah.
quality. This is 4-way lycra.
Okay.
There is no wrinkle in this. 100% imported.
Nice.
Like these, there are different varieties in this.
And in people who wants in bulk 1,000, 2,000 piece,
Definitely.
easily they
This
can
is the
get.
best store for them. These are all imported.
Okay. And these are standard packing you will
Standard
get.
packing.
Okay. So there is no box piece like this standard packing and roll packing.
Yes.
Okay.
These are all the latest imported
One.
articles.
Here, I want you to get good response. 1, 2, 3, start.
These are all my latest imported articles,
Very nice.
which are going all over.
Okay. What size do you get? 5XL, 10XL also here, like plus
No,
size?
not exactly. I have maximum up to 4XL.
4XL. Okay.
If anybody has an order basis,
Okay.
we can do make and supply.
So people can give orders based on fabrics also.
Yes,
Minimum,
based
how
on
much is the
fabric, based on
MOQ?
quality. Minimum say 200 piece
200 piece.
in a
Okay.
variety.
Okay. Cool. So that option is also
These
there.
are all my latest collections.
Half shirt. Half shirt starts from what price?
These are all drop shoulders, latest. These all start from 250, 260.
Okay. Then what about all this stock area?
This is all my latest stocks upcoming.
Okay. Nice.
Just
All
to
range of shirts you get.
Yes, we haven't yet introduced this.
Okay.
So if anybody wants to have the look at a latest stock, or anybody wants good latest quality in their stores,
All trending shirts, trending print you're
all
getting
trendy,
here.
all
Digital
trendy.
print, everything you'll get.
these are all very trendy.
Very nice.
These qualities you will get same in men's as well as boys.
This is all just like brand quality.
Yes. You
Very
will get
nice.
Same in men's as well as in boys.
Very nice, yeah. Superb stock. You can just have a look. Awesome collections of shirts. So you also get here men's t-shirt. So this time you started men's t-shirt. What is the starting price in the men's t-shirt?
Starting price of men's t-shirt is also 150. These
150.
are all those latest half sleeves and drop shoulders.
Okay. Size what we'll get?
ML XL as of now.
Okay.
The latest prints all
So right now you're getting round neck.
yes, round neck and drop shoulders.
Okay,
which is
drop
more
shoulders.
like-
Very nice
yes.
prints here. In this also, if someone wants in bulk,
Yes, definitely. Any quantity.
okay. So this is also there. You can just check, and high quality t-shirts you're getting only for men. This is
Yes, only men's for now.
okay. What and all
It's all
fabric
this
we'll
time.
get in this?
These are all mainly cottons,
Okay.
all with heavy GSMs.
Okay. Nice. So this is one more sample.
Yes.
Right now, how much
Minimum
one?
of 15 pieces. This.
Okay, minimum of 15 piece.
Yes.
Okay. They have to buy.
Yes, minimum of 15 pieces.
Okay, this is also one more. You can just have a look. Here, right now, how much collections of t-shirts you having right?
40 to 45 varieties.
40 to 45 varieties. Okay.
And it is going to grow.
Okay. Before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having awesome collections for men's and kids shirts. So highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love the collection. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.